The Scale Master plugin, located in the Z plugin palette, allows you to choose the desired size for your model, converting the model to generic units that resemble mm. With this size now being a constant, your files will append and insert at the correct size and dimensions, giving you greater control when dealing with scan data or models for 3D printing. The Quick Scaler plugin allows you to enter a percentage, millimeter value, or inch value to increase or decrease the scale of the selected subtool. The plugin will respect masking and visibility on the selected subtool. The Layer Brush Depth plugin allows you to sculpt at a specific millimeter value when using a brush with the base type of single layer. Simply select a single layer base type brush, such as the Layer Brush or the Chisel Brush, input the desired sculpting depth you want to achieve, and then click Set Layer Depth Brush. 3D Print Hub enables you to correctly size your model and export both individually selected subtools and all subtools together. Additionally, it allows you to set the pivot to the center of the object, automatically positioning the object at 0 coordinates. The Ring Utility plugin allows you to create a ring band base mesh at a precise millimeter dimension. This enables rings and bracelets to be created fully inside of ZBrush without the need for external applications. The plugin also includes functionality for generating gems along the band base mesh, as well as creating ring base meshes using mandrels and masking.